Katanyangay Shakmanin, Maki here, and samahan niyo akong makilakwatsa. Let's go! So as usual, joiner pa rin tayo this 2026, and for today's lakwatsa, we're heading to Mount Mariglam in Cabangan, Zambales. Mount Mariglam is a minor hike with 573 meters above sea level elevation, featuring open grassy trails, scenic ridges, and wide mountain views. Pero bago tayo makarating sa summit, let's rewind a few hours and see how the hike went. So ayun na nga, 3:15 AM when we started the walk going to the jump-off point kasi yung van drop-off wasn't a real start yet. On the way to the jump-off point, some of the paths were sandy kaya para kang naglalakad sa beach, while some were rocky. We had the option na sumakay na lang sa kolong-kolong pero since bida ang saya, nilakad na lang namin, and ang ending, pagod ang mga Jollibee pagdating sa jump-off. After reaching the jump-off point, the hike officially starts, and this is where the real challenge begins kasi dito mag-uumpisa ang paahon. Bukod sa paakyat, malalaki rin yung mga bato kaya kailangan talagang mag-ingat at baka ma-fall ka sa kanya. Ay mali, race. Around 4:25 AM, we reached Peak 1. Mabilis ang pahinga lang and mabilis ang picture lang with the signage, and as you can see, pawis na agad ang person. After a quick rest, we proceeded to Peak 2 and paakyat pa rin yung trail. And as you can see, marami kaming kasabay na paakyat with more hikers following behind and wala man lang naka-organic encounter. Huy, mali! And just like that, nasa Peak 2 na kami, and ang pagod ko, feeling ko pang isang buwan na. At this point, wala na talagang atrasan, so wala tayong choice kundi tumuloy sa Peak 3. Few minutes from Peak 2, we reached the third peak, and good thing, may nagbebenta ng cold refreshments dito. Of course, bago tayo mag-proceed sa Peak 4, quick water break muna at quick picture sa signage. Tuloy na tayo sa 4th peak. Good thing, medyo gradual na yung paakyat this time, hindi tulad ng unang 3 peaks na super steep. And there we go, that's 4 out of 5 peaks. We reached the 4th peak around 5:20 AM, and one last stretch, we're finally at the summit. And finally, we reached the summit around 5:35 AM when we reached the summit, and medyo madilim pa kaya tumambay muna kami and waited for the sun to come up bago magpa-picture sa signage. After waiting for a few minutes, yun na nga, lumiwanag na. Finally, we got to see the views. Imagine the entire hike, it was dark, kaya nothing to see aside from the city lights. Siyempre, before we went down, we took pictures and videos muna, then we started our descent around 6:30 AM. Going down, mabato pa rin yung trail, and grabe, dire-diretsong pababa talaga. Good thing is, at least may nakikita na kaming views. After about an hour of descending, we finally made it to the bottom. Pero wait, there's more. A few more minutes of walking and we'd be at Agbobotilla River for a refreshing swim. And just like that, we were greeted by the stunning river. Clear, cool, and absolutely perfect to refresh after the hike. Looking at it, matitempt ka talagang magtampisaw. Of course, we couldn't resist, so tumampisaw kami, and the feeling, it was perfect. After all that hiking, this was the ultimate reward, and ang lamig ng tubig. Sobrang clear, and kita pa yung mga isda na lumalangoy. I actually enjoyed swimming here more than the hike itself. Noong nagsawa na kami, or should I say nilamig na kami, we decided to go back. Mga 5 minutes of walking and we reached the paradahan ng mga kolong-kolong, which will be riding back to the van drop-off area. Nawala na yung bida-bida attitude namin nung umaga, kaya nagkolong-kolong na lang kami pabalik. Mind you, the ride wasn't comfortable. Yugyugan kong yugyugan. Super lubak ng daan, so expect na maalog talaga. May mga times pa na kailangan namin bumaba sa kolong-kolong kasi di na kaya ng daan. Pero still, fun pa rin siya. Parang nag-roller coaster ka lang. So that's how my Mount Mariglam hike ends. After noon, we went to Luliwa Beach for a side trip, and doon na din kami nag-lunch. For our side trip, we rode banana boat and even tried ATVs. That side trip was also worth it. Ang daming nangyari sa isang araw. We hiked, swam in a river, rode a banana boat, and even tried the ATV. It was a day full of adventure. Shout out to our supportive org, which is Travel Sphere. And yeah, that's it for today's Lakwatsa. Bye!